Welcome back to ORG AutoCar, your go-to channel for the latest updates and exclusive reveals from the automotive world. If you love futuristic design, insane performance, and luxury redefined, then you're in for a treat today. Because we're talking about the new next generation 2025 Tesla Cybertruck by Mansory, officially unveiled, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. Mansory, the world-renowned tuning house known for turning already extreme vehicles into rolling pieces of art, has taken the Tesla Cybertruck to a whole new level. What was once a minimalist electric beast has now transformed into a luxurious, aggressive, and futuristic powerhouse on wheels. The new Cybertruck by Mansory showcases bold styling, insane detailing, and a level of customization that truly pushes boundaries. Starting from the exterior, Mansory's version comes with a full carbon fiber body kit that gives the truck an even sharper, more intimidating presence. The geometric lines are exaggerated with wider fenders, a re-sculpted front bumper, and a redesigned rear diffuser that makes the Cybertruck look like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The matte black finish and custom Mansory wheels add to its menacing stance, making it one of the most unique electric trucks on the planet. Step inside, and the interior experience is on another level. Mansory has reimagined Tesla's minimalist cabin with premium leather, Alcantara upholstery, and ambient lighting that oozes luxury. Every detail feels handcrafted, from the custom stitching to the Mansory badging on the seats. The cabin blends futuristic Tesla tech with the refined craftsmanship that Mansory is famous for. Underneath, the Tesla powertrain remains all electric, but Mansory has fine-tuned the suspension and dynamics to match its bold new identity. The result: a smoother yet more responsive drive that keeps the Cybertruck's incredible performance intact while offering a more refined and premium feel. This collaboration between Tesla and Mansory is a glimpse into the future of high-end electric vehicles, where innovation meets luxury in a way that excites both EV enthusiasts and supercar fans. So what do you think of the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck by Mansory? Is this the ultimate electric truck transformation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from ORG AutoCar, bringing you the future of automotive excellence, one unveil at a time.